Greetings, beautiful people. Welcome back to Find XYZ. If you are new to this channel, subscribe. This question was extracted from 2024 WASSCE Core Mathematics, and according to the Chief Examiner's report, a lot of candidates didn't attempt this question, and the few that attempted this question could not effectively apply the concept needed to solve this problem. So let's dive in. We have been told Amoah starts a business with a capital of $1,250,000 and Aku joins in the business later. This word is very important. With a capital of $1,875. At the end of the first year, another important component, their profits were shared equally between Amoah and Aku. What is the objective? We are tasked to find when Aku joined the business. Now, in business mathematics, a profit is usually proportional to the product of the capital and time. Now, we have been told Amoah, very nice man. What was his capital? That is $1,250. And another man, Aku, came in later, take note, with a capital of $1,875. But they did not begin at the same time. So after the first year, their profit were shared equally. Equally means that they are going to have equal profit, knowing very well that this will give us the profit. And because they didn't start at the same time, it is very wise, okay, to work in months. So 1 year is equivalent to 12 months. So we are going to use months for the time. So what will be the profit for Amoah? That will be the capital times the time. That is $1,250 times 12 months. That is the profit. Is equal to, do we know the time Mr. Aku joined? No. So let's represent the time as T. His capital is 1,875 times the time that we don't know. Let's multiply 1,250 times 12. That will give us 15,000. Then is equal to 1,875 times T will give us 1,875 T. Then we divide both sides by the coefficient of T, which is 1,875. Then let's simplify. We have T to be 8 months. However, the question did not task us to find the number of months he joined the business. We were tasked to find out when he joined the business. Okay, so we care about when he joined. So if Amoah stayed for 12 months and the month for Aku is 8 months, if we want to know when he joined, we'll gladly do 12 minus 8, and that will give us the period he joined, and that will give us 4 months. So what does this tell us? 4 months later is when Aku joined the business. Is there another way we can solve this problem? Yes. So we are going to solve this problem in another way. So let's find out. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to represent whatever we are finding with a variable. So let's say the period in which he joined is equal to P. Okay, the same format, but I'm going to introduce P as the period in which Aku joined the business. Same way, profit is the capital times the time. So the same way, Amoah's capital is $1,250 times 12 is equal to, what is the capital for Aku, which is 1,875. Times, what is the time? We know that they did not start at the same time. Okay, so if Amoah is 12, we'll have to write 12 minus the period. Okay, so we have to take away the period in which Amoah joined from 12. Very good. So expanding this will give us 15,000 is equal to 1,875 multiplying 12 minus P. Now your instincts would definitely tell you to expand, but don't expand. If you expand, you are going to get a very large number. What you can do is we can easily divide by 1,875 so that our numbers will not be large. Then 15,000 divided by 1,875 will give us 8 is equal to 12 minus P. What can we do? We can subtract 12 from both sides of the equation. Then we'll have negative 4 is equal to negative P. Then we divide both sides by negative 1. So what is P? 4. So it means that Aku joined the business 4 months later. It means Aku joined the business 4 months later. Okay, you realize that we are getting the same value. So which of these methods would you subscribe to? Have the freedom to subscribe to whichever method you are comfortable with. Thank you for joining me, and be on the lookout for the next question of the day as we prepare ourselves for this year's WASSCE 2026. I'm out.